This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with a prop rod. Loosen the hose clamp at the throttle body, then detach the intake tube from the throttle body. Remove the air filter housing mounting nut. Disconnect the vacuum hoses from the filter housing, then pull up on the housing to disengage it from the mounting grommets. Carefully slide the filter housing assembly out of the engine compartment. Disengage the tabs connecting the end of the plastic intake tube to the air filter housing, then pull the air filter out of the housing. Remove the air filter element from the intake tube by pulling it straight off. Install the new air filter element securely onto the intake tube. Empty out any remaining debris from inside the housing. Install the filter element into the housing, making sure the retaining clips on the intake tube lock into place. Maneuver the air filter housing assembly into the engine, aligning the grommets with the mounting studs. Install the filter housing mounting nut and tighten it securely. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Connect the intake tube to the throttle body and tighten the hose clamp securely. Avoid over-tightening the hose clamp. Be sure to connect all the vacuum hoses that were disconnected previously.